I split the set into 3 phases to discuss the critical elements: pre-contact, during contact, and post-contact. The critical elements of pre-contact are having your knees bent, aligning your body under the ball by moving your feet, and making a window with your hands above your head. The during contact phase, it is important that the ball is in the correct place and position to your body. You want to contact the ball with your finger pads, not the tips or with your palms. You will start to extend your knees and your arms and act as the force behind the ball. During the post-contact phase, it is important to extend your knees and completely follow through by extending your arms and hands towards the desired target. At this time, you can see that Jordan's hands are above his head and prepared to have the ball contact right between his finger pads. What you want when contacting the ball is, if you were to miss the ball, you would want it to hit you straight in the hairline. So as you see, he makes contact right above the hairline. It's great. And he makes contact with the finger pads and not his fingertips, so he has more control over where the ball goes. His knees are still straight, so it's preventing him from having full power over the ball, and his hands are uneven, so a ref would call a double as if he had touched the ball twice. As I mentioned previously, his legs are still locked, so he's kind of holding back some of that power that he could have, and his arms are not extending fully, which is doing the exact same thing. It's just preventing him from having as much power as possible and eliminating the accuracy with his target.